Good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning to all. Yes. Ganaadhipati. Yesterday we have discussed up to problem number 15. Okay. I will go ahead with problem number 16. How many are joined today? Who can prove tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees? So this value equal to, four options are given over there: sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. So to do this problem, we should have aware of trigonometric values for different angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay. Now tan 30 how much, children? Tan 30 how much? Anyone? Tan 30 how much? No one is answering. Everyone in sleep mode. 1 by root 3. Very good. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Simplification చాలా మంది తప్పు చేశారు. Many students did wrong in this simplification. See here. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. This is what you have to do. 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 say into 3 by 4. Okay. 2 These two get cancelled root 3 times. So we will be left with root 3 by 2. We will left with root 3 by 2. See, we can tell here, everyone know that we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. Everyone should know that. We can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. So that was the key in this problem. Okay. So we got root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is sine 60 degrees. It is nothing but sine 60 degrees. So option A. Option A. Okay, na? Next. Next question. Which of the following are definitely similar to each other? Definitely similar to each other. Any two rhombuses, not always. Definitely means always similar. Any two rhombuses, not always similar. Okay? Any two equilateral triangles are always similar. Equilateral triangles are always similar, not only two. You can compare them with many. Two equilateral triangles are always similar. So second one, any two regular pentagons, yes, any two regular pentagons always similar. Any two isosceles triangles, may or may not. Isosceles triangles అనేవి may or may not. It depends upon the angle between the equal sides. It depends upon angle between the equal sides. If angle between the equal sides are also equal, we can say that any two isosceles triangles are always similar. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇది ఒక isosceles triangle అనుకోండి. This is an isosceles triangle and this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, these two sides are equal, these two are equal. Okay, let it be x, x, a, a. Okay, now x by a is equal to x by a. Okay, we don't know this side and this side, na? We don't know the ratios of this side. But if this angle equal to this angle, if this angle equal to this angle, or ratio of these two sides equal to ratio of these two sides, then they are similar. Conditions unnai. Conditions apply. You cannot say that that two isosceles triangles are always similar. You can't say like that. Okay, there are conditions. So our conditions satisfied, we can say that they are similar. But in case of second and third, any two equilateral triangles, any two regular pentagons, any two regular polygons are always similar. They are always similar. So for 17th question, option is B, second and third only. Only second and third. Okay, children? Next question. The quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros, minus 5, product of zeros is 6. Alpha plus beta given minus 5. Alpha beta given 6. When these two informations are given, what is the formula? Anyone? What is the formula to find out the polynomial? When we know sum and product of zeros, when we know, Tejal, keep a message in the group that class has started, everyone has to join immediately, it is mandatory. And even Moksha Vankaila is there. I can see only 35 students out of 85 students. That means 50 students are not interested, or they don't want to listen the paper, discuss the paper, whatever they wrote. They don't want to listen the answers even. Why the parents are allowing this, I don't know. Keep the message in B section also. It is mandatory to all to join the class. Yes, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square minus 5 times x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. So answer is A. Chala mandi B rase. Chala mandi they wrote B. But if you clearly observe the formula, middle term is negative of alpha plus beta into x. Negative of alpha plus beta into x. And today whoever joined lately, stay for some time after the class. Nineteenth question. The point 0, 4 lies on y-axis. Reason: x coordinate of a point on x-axis is 0. See, what is the correct one? What is the correct one, children? The point 0, y lie on y-axis. Is that right? And reason: the x coordinate of the point on x-axis is 0. Assertion is right, but reason is wrong. Option C. Assertion is right, reason wrong. Option C. Yeah. Next, 20th question. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC, AD given 3, DB given 4, BC given 14, and D is equal to 6. That means we need to do problem. And reason is given in triangle ABC. If D is parallel to ABC, then triangle AD similar to ABC. That is right. This is 14. I think this is 3 and 4. Okay. Assertion is given that DE is 6. We need to verify this. Is DE 6? Yeah. See, children, this is the common angle in both the triangles. Angle A is common angle in both the triangles. And corresponding angles. Given DE parallel to BC. Okay. So triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. That means 3 by 7 is equal to DE by 14. 3 by 7 means AD by AB. AD by AB equal to DE by BC. Now do cross multiply. 7 DE is equal to 3 into 14. DE is equal to 3 into 14 by 7, 2's. So 6 centimeters. DE is 6 centimeters. So assertion right. and reason is also right, and reason is a perfect for the assertion, or reason R is a perfect for assertion A. So both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion A. So option A is right answer. Option A is right answer. Did anyone put a message in the 10B group? Tejal 10A का message बैठा हुआ है? I didn't see Sahishnu, Hemant, Lohit Babu in your section. Many are absent from both the sections. Yeah. 21st question. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Many students did wrong this problem. Many students. ఎందుకంటే దాని వాళ్ళు డిఫరెంట్గా అంటే డిఫికల్టీగా ఆలోచించారు. They did this problem in a difficult way rather than doing it in a simple way. Okay, I'll tell you how it is, how simple it is. Okay, so x square plus x minus 2, x square plus x minus 2. Okay, now we can find out a plus b, is that right? Minus 1, alpha plus beta minus 2, directly alpha plus beta minus 1, alpha beta minus 2. And what is asking to find out? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. If you take LCM, here we get alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square plus minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square, we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, now insert the values. Minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 by minus 2. Negative 5 by 2 is the answer. Negative 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay, this is one way. What is the second way? Just splitting the middle term. So zeros 1 and minus 2. Now alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. 1 by minus 2 plus minus 2 by 1. Taking simplification and simplify. Both the ways, which is simple and easy in both the ways. First one is easy for Niharika. Okay, which is easy for you? First one. Second way. Ritvik says second way. Sauryesh, what is my question? Which is easy in both the ways? You are saying okay, sir. I think you are not there in the class. You are somewhere. Okay. Right. Next question. which term of AP 53, 48, 43 is first negative term? Is first negative term. Which term of this AP is first negative term? This question. There are two ways you can take an is equal to 0 or an less than 0. Why I took less than 0? Because he is talking about the first negative term. So negative term is, we know that it is less than 0. Okay. Now 53 plus n minus 1 into, I think, negative 5 is equal to 0. Okay. N minus 1 times of negative 5 is negative 53. N minus 1 is equal to negative 53 by negative 5. Is that right? Now, think about negative 53 by negative 5. How much it is? N minus 1 is equal to, I think, 10.6. Is that right? N minus 1 is 10.6. Okay. Then n is equal to 11.6. N is equal to 11.6. Okay, na? That means 11th term is very much near to 0. 11th term is very much near to 0. That means 12th term. 11.6 is near to 12 na, so 12th term is first negative term. Atla anachu. Aithe ikkada oka confusion undi. So 11.6 ante 11.6 terms undavu kada. ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం 11 అని తీసుకోవాలా 12 అని తీసుకోవాలా? ఇక్కడ 11.6 it is very much clear. 11.6 it is very much clear that it is more than 0.5, so we will consider 12. In case if n is 11.3, then so that's why we need to go ahead with this. Okay, now what do we get at the end here? N minus here 53 plus n minus 1 into negative 5 is less than 0. N minus 1 negative 5 is less than negative 53. N minus 1 greater than negative 53 by negative 5. Greater than. Okay, na? So this change you have to do. N minus 1 times of negative 5 is less than negative 53. Then n minus 1 is greater than negative 53 by negative 5. That means n minus 1 is greater than 10.6. N greater than 11.6. N greater than 11.6 means 12th term is first negative term. Okay na? Second case ardham kaakapothe leave that, no problem. Go ahead with the first one. నా ఓకే, మీరు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి నెగటివ్ x less than 5. Can anyone say what is x? negative of x is less than 5, then what about x? Can anyone say? Ritvik, correct ga ఆలోచించు. Negative x is less than 5, then x is no. X is equal to negative 5. Huh? You mean to say x is equal to negative 5? If negative x is less than 5, x is equal to negative 5. Huh? Yes, Lalita Dicha, very good. Greater than x greater than negative 5. That is what you have to understand. Negative x is less than 5. Negative x is less than 5. Then x is greater than negative 5. So same, this is negative, feel this is negative x. Negative x is less than negative 53. Then x is greater than, is that right? That was used over there. Okay. X less than 3, then negative x. Can anyone say? X less than 3, then negative x. Yes. You are not giving answers to my question. Oh, మీకు inequalities లేవు కదా. Right. అందుకని సమస్య. Previously it was there in class 6. Class 6 previously it was there in inequalities. అయినా కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకుంటే ఈజీనే. I try to make you learn in the class. Okay. Next question. 3 traffic lights. Everyone did. Maximum students did wrong this question. Even prime factorization kuda cheyalekapayar. Prime factorization. Okay. Traffic lights are different at 3 different road crossing changes after 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., what will be they change together next? 48, 72, 108. These are the different timings, seconds, in seconds, at 3 different roads, change of lights. These 3 together change at 7 a.m. in the morning. Now what will be again? They'll change at the same time. At what time? They'll change. At a time. So we need to find out LCM, that everyone knows it. LCM 48, 24, 12, 6, 3. So 48 is 2 power 4 into 3. 72, 2 cube into 3 square. 108, 2 square into 3. This is the prime factorization. 48 2 power 4 into 3, 72 2 cube into 3 square, 108 2 square into 3 cube. Now, what is the LCM I told you, right? LCM, different prime factors with the highest powers. Different prime factors with the highest powers. What we have to take? 2 power 4 into 3 cube. Is that right? Power 4 into 3 cube, which is 432 seconds. That means after every 432 seconds, the three lights change at a time. After every 432 seconds, all the three lights changes at a time. That after 7 a.m. Now try to convert this 432 in minutes by 60. I think 7 minutes 12 seconds. After every 12 minutes, 7 minutes 12 seconds. After every 7 minutes 12 seconds, the time, all the three lights changes at a time. Is that right? So 7:07:12 a.m. This was the next time. This was the time they changes after 7. That should be your answer. Next question. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా మాక్సిమం తప్పు చేశారు. √3 tan A is 3 and he is asking to find out sin square theta plus cos square theta. ఓకే, ఇది కూడా ఏమిటేమిటో చేసేసారు. ఏమిటో ట్రయాంగిల్ వేసారు, ఏమిటో చేసేసారు. ఎంత సింపుల్ చూడండి. ఇది tan A is 3/√3 which is nothing but √3. I told you in the morning 3 we can write it as √3 into √3. 3 we can write it as √3 into √3. So tan A 3/√3 which is nothing but √3. Is that right? Then A is 60 degrees. So sin square 60 minus cos square 60. √3/2 whole square minus 1/2 whole square. 3/4 minus 1/4 which is 1/2. Answer 1/2. Is that right, children? Is that right? మరి దీనికి ఏమిటో కష్టపడిపోయారు మీరంతా. అసలు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వేస్ట్ పేపర్. ఫుల్ రావాలి. ఎవ్రీవన్ షుడ్ గెట్ ఫుల్. Next question. A cos theta plus B sin theta is m. A sin theta minus B cos theta is n, and we need to prove that a square plus b square is equal to m square plus n square. Okay. Theta. So akkada square theta minus cos square theta. Instead of theta you keep a. Okay. Now what is m square? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta plus cos theta. Then what is n square? A square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Squaring on both sides, both the equations. M square, n square. Now add both the equations. Add both the equations. M square plus n square is equal to a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. These two get cancelled. Plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta get cancelled. I think we got the answer. Is that right? Okay. So what we get here? M square plus n square is equal to a square into 1 plus b square into 1. M square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. Simple. Yeah. See, the problem now I am going to discuss with you is, it shows that your state of writing your exam, in which state you are. కనీసం కాన్షియస్గా ఉండి రాశారా, వితౌట్ కాన్షియస్ రాశారా అనేది తెలిసిపోతుంది ఇక్కడే. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 85, 80 స్టూడెంట్స్ డిడ్ రాంగ్. వెరీ సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఎందుకు చేశారా తప్పంటే జస్ట్ వితౌట్ థింకింగ్ అంటే అట్లా రాసేసారండి. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ దిస్ ఆన్సర్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అబౌట్ దట్, బట్ everyone did wrong because చెప్తున్నా కదా, and you don't want to study, that's all. See, an integer is chosen in between, an integer is chosen between 0 and 100. Between, what is the meaning of it? Between means, can we count 0? Can we count 100? I want answers. An integer chosen between 0 and 100. Can we count 0 and 100? Now you are saying even వాడు I think రిత్విక్ సింగ్ గారు కూడా తప్పు చేసేసారు. He also did wrong. Now tell me, what is the total number of observations? How many numbers will be there between 0 and 100? Can anyone say? 99. Everyone wrote either 100 or 101. Everyone wrote either 100 or 101. There ends over problem. Divisible by 10. Divisible by 10, you cannot take 0, you cannot take 100 also. So what is the first number? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Means 9. 9 by 99 is the first answer, which is 1 by 11. Okay. Next. Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. How many are there which are divisible by 7? 7 ones are 7, 14, 21, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. 13 are there. Is that right? 13 or 14? 7 tens are 70. అక్కడికి 10 అవుతాయి. 77, 84, 91, 98. 14 total. So answer is 14 by 99. Divisible by 7. Or not divisible by 7 అన్నాడు. He is asking to find out not divisible by 7. Not. So how can be this 14 by 99? Maximum people they wrote 14 by 99. 14 by 99 is divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7? 85 by 90. $85 by 90. Okay, na? So, second section అంతా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్. మీరు కొంచెం కూడా ఆలోచన చేయకుండా కొంచెం కూడా. Now section 3. A vertical stick which is 15 centimeters long cast a shadow of 12 centimeters on the ground. ఇదో ట్రయాంగిల్ అదో ట్రయాంగిల్. రెండు సిమిలర్. Simple question. This is 50 meters. H. 15, 12. 15 by H is equal to 12 by 50. I by. by H is equal to 12 by 50. Then H is equal to 50 into 15 by 12. 3 5s, 3 4s. 25s, 2s. 125 by 2, that is 62.5 meters. That's all. Why? These two triangles are similar. You know that because sun's altitude at the same time it is same. Is that right? They are similar to each other. This problem kuda inta easy problem I gave it for 3 marks. Even that you are not able to do. Many people. Okay? Okay, remaining problems will get discussed tomorrow evening. Okay, that's all for today. So tomorrow we'll meet again at 8 p.m. in the evening. So you can leave now, but click on the like button and leave. Tejal attendance and Moksha Vankaila. Moksha is not there, Niharika. Take the attendance. Click on the like button, children. Only 22 likes. Okay, bye.